Nagre-record na ako ah. Yo, what's up guys? I'm with a gang. Look. Look what they are doing. Jumping and crawling. Yes, this Asphaltus. Our support. Jam and M and Chosen One is our best players. See? The fucking shit. Simple bitch is headshotted me. See that?
Wala pala.
Ano sa ngayon? Ako binaril yun.
Nasa smoke pre. Nagtatago sa smoke pre.
Pero tinamaan niya ako.
See these people. These are hacker. These motherfuckers.
Nakahak pre.
Chinese number 1.
Kasi record mo pre. Nakahak yung kalaban pre. Hirap yan.
Look what they're doing.
Mga record pre kapag may hack pre. Kawawa tayo.
This is Chosen One. Let's see how they move. Where is Jam? Jam is over there, look. The fuck? Hell. The gang is planting the tomato. Look where M is rushing. Jam is like frog, jumping and jumping. Bato mo pare. Look at this.
Sabay tumalon ah.
Chosen One. Someone died. Who died? The fuck? Let's get out of here. What the fuck? It's like there's an army. I'll give them a AK-47. Rambo is right here. Oh my goodness. John Rambo died.
Pre. Tay.
Utang na talagang hacker to.
Ande. Lulubong tayo. Yeah,
Pakakala ko pagka nag-pride ka, wala nang hacker. Butanos, mas malala mga hacker dito.
Oo nga eh. Render pre.
So that is all for us, guys. As you can see, our enemy is cheating. They're so good. I just proved to you that they're cheating. I was alone. I was walking. Then when I got into the front of the door, die, die, bitch. So that is all for me, guys. I hope you enjoy that. Enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and I'll see you on the next one.